Hey guys, Kwackajack here with another episode. So, recently I've just put a new pair of tyres on my Ninja 400. I've put a pair of Sportec M7s on. And usually with new tyres, you're supposed to give them around 100 to 150 kilometers to really wear in before you do any enthusiastic riding. So today, instead of going into the local mountains, I'm going to be riding along the beach and showing you guys what some of the Gold Coast looks like. We're going to be riding through Southport into Surfers Paradise, where I'll be sending up the drone, flying it around, and letting you guys have a really good look of what the city looks like. So, without further ado, let's get to it. So now I'm going to send up the drone. It's a bit windy, but let's send it up anyway and have a look around. Alright, so there you go. A little look around Surface Paradise on the Ninja 400. So as I said, I did get a new pair of tyres on the Ninja. I went with a pair of Sportec M7s, and you know, they're more touring sort of tyres than racing, but that's okay because I do a lot of sort of long distance riding anyway, and they can be used to go up into the mountains and have a bit of fun. So the reason I'm doing this more relaxed ride today with you guys is because I still need to wear these things in. Usually you have to ride on new tires for around 100 to 150 kilometers because when they're packaged they actually have this sheen on them, and it's to protect the actual tire during transport and storage. And you can see it when you look at a new tire, you can sort of see it on the outside here. It looks a bit shiny, and that can be really slippery when riding hard and going around corners. So it's pretty important to, you know, wear the tire in before you go for any really enthusiastic riding. So that's what we're doing today, just going for a nice easy cruise. So these tires are actually also 160 millimeters, and the stock ones that come with the bike are 150, so they're a little bit wider, a little bit chunkier, and I think it adds to the overall look of the bike itself. So you can see when I stand back, even though it's a small difference, it does look a bit chunkier and adds to the overall aesthetic of the bike, which I enjoy. Just adds a bit more personalization to the bike. Yeah, and you can see from the side there, those tires look really good on there, I think. Especially with that Leo Vince exhaust on. Really adds to the aesthetic of the bike. So there you have it, guys. I've taken you for a little tour around Surface Paradise here on the Gold Coast. Showed you the new tires, what they look like. What do you guys reckon? You like the look of them? Thanks for making it to this point of the video, guys. I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know what you think of this video. Till next time, see ya.